Let's take a look at the new Acumatica Shopify connector. As you can see, here I am on our Shopify demo site. Right now I'm logged in as a customer. I'm navigating the site. I'm finding products and plenty of product information, which is actually all being served up by Acumatica's ERP. For a second, let's take a look at this Nikon D7500 inside the ERP. If I jump into Acumatica, this is our e-commerce dashboard, but what I'm really interested in is our inventory, pull up the stock items, and I'm going to go to that Nikon D7500. Now with the Acumatica Shopify connector, I have a real-time integration between stock item information and the website itself. So let's say, for instance, I'm an e-commerce manager. I know that this product is going to be on sale today. So I change the price. I want to highlight that sale. So in the description, which is the product title, I'm going to add the word sale. As soon as I save this, it's going to send this information out to the Shopify site so that customers see it immediately. Now, you don't have to have that real-time integration. Of course, you could have a scheduled integration, or you could manually push these kinds of changes out to the website. Back on the website, I'm still on that Nikon page, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh. And now we see those changes. The sale is now in the title, and the price has been reduced to $14.96. Notice that the MSRP price is set here with a strike through, and this all happened for me automatically. The information that's coming over from the ERP includes the product title, the description, the stock information, the product photos, and then the full description with rich text. Now, as a customer, I'm going to go ahead and add this item to my cart, and let's go ahead and check out. As a customer, I received an email marketing newsletter with a coupon code, which I'm going to enter now and apply, which is going to give me a 10% discount. Additionally, because I'm logged into the system, Shopify has my address information. All of this information synchronizes with the ERP as well. If information changes in the ERP, it'll update inside of Shopify and vice versa. All my information is loaded up, so I'm going to continue on to my shipping options. In this case, I'm offered free shipping, so I'm going to take it, and we'll continue to the payment information. Now, because I'm in a demo environment, I'm just going to use a fake credit card for testing purposes or demo purposes. I'm choosing to make my shipping address the same as my billing address, and I'm going to place this order. And again, because there's a real-time integration set up for this demonstration, as soon as I submit this order is going to become a sales order inside of the ERP. So let's go take a look at that sales order. Now, back in the ERP, I'm going to open up the commerce dashboard. This is where the e-commerce manager could log in the morning and take a look at everything that's happening in regards to the e-commerce system. Notice that the order I just placed here is listed in my incoming orders. From here, I can open that sales order and I can begin to process it. Now, I'd like to mention that inside of Acumatica, you can automate as much of this fulfillment process as you like. Obviously, I'm going to carry you through this in a manual fashion, but it is possible to automate many of these steps. The first thing I'd like to point out is that the system recognizes that I used a coupon code for this order, which you can see here in the discount details. Notice that it references the discount code that was used, and when we look at the totals, it shows the total amount that was paid. From here, I'm going to create a shipment. I'm going to choose the warehouse that this should be shipping from. This is going to take me into the shipments. From here, I could do things like print a pick list, or I could print a label, but in this case, what I'm interested in doing is adding a tracking number, which would also be an automated system, but I'm going to add that in manually, and then I'm just going to confirm the shipment. Now, as soon as this shipment is confirmed, this is going to push information back to the Shopify site so that the customer can see that their order has been shipped And of course, Shopify can be configured to send out an email notification or possibly even a text message to let the customer know that the order is on its way. Let's go back to Shopify and take a look at that. Now, back on the website as that customer, I'm going to click on the Track Your Order section, which is going to take me to my account. Here are all the orders I've placed in the past. I can see this is the one that I placed today, and it's showing up as fulfilled, which means that it's been shipped. I'm going to open this up, and then inside this order, I can see my tracking number information here, which will link out to the appropriate tracking system, which obviously is just a demo environment for now. So this is really just scratching the surface, but it's a good introduction to the solid integration between Shopify and Acumatica, which is native. It's very thorough. There's many business use cases that this system supports, and we'd love to talk with you about it. Have a great day, and thank you for checking this out.